Well, today we're going to talk about something that everybody knows. It's about open houses. And an open house is a scheduled period of time where people that you don't know, just off the street, can walk into a house that's offered for sale and cruise around and do whatever they need to do. They take a look.
Right. A lot of them like to flush toilets. Some of them even use the toilet. You know, you check the water pressure.
No, well, okay, the water pressure I totally get. Yeah. Like, yeah, I hate as a renter. Right. It's like when I rent a place, I look at it like I'm gonna buy it because technically I am because I'm just giving the owner all the money so he can pay for it.
That's right.
So as a renter, I'm buying it. So I will test the water pressure. I'm not gonna take a shower, but I'm gonna turn the shower head on, see what happens. Blah blah. But you said people flush stuff.
Toilet. Yes.
Really?
And we've actually had someone who took a shower.
Oh, okay. You have a person who took a shower
at an open house. It was Mark because he was late.
Shout out. Shout out to Mark.
Thank you.
That's a person saying.
And he's the one who's flushed a toilet too. So I think he shaved.
Wait.
Yeah, he did everything.
Do you have a home?
No, I do. But I got to tell you, I'm a squatter.